What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about pros and cons of owning a Hellcat. I'm a year in and we got a lot to talk about. If this is your first time seeing me on screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. Well, for number one, man, I think everybody knows this, bro. You always have that empty feeling of like if you got your Hellcat took. Obviously, car's right here, so definitely hasn't gotten took. Still got it, but it's always that simple fact of what if, or what if this happens, what if that happens, and it's always a constant thing when it comes to a Hellcat or any SRT. It's one thing that you gotta think about. Like if you're going out, you gotta think about where you're going. You gotta plan that shit out. And I've had to do this for over a year instead of just, like I had my other car, I was able to just go wherever. And I'm talking about literally wherever. Not even have a care in the world. That is not the case with this car. Now, luckily, I have all these security measures that you know to think about. Kill switch, safety strap, the wrap, steering wheel lock, got all that. And I don't go in places where I feel like I might be nervous. I've had to do this for a whole year, bro. Now, one of the big things that also is next on my list is police officers, bro. Police, bro, it's like they eat, sleep, breathe Hellcat. I mean, I swear. Ever since I've owned this car, before it was even wrapped, I've been pulled over. Let's see, let's count the total of everything. I've been pulled over at least 15 times. 15 times, bro. Like, 15 times is crazy. Y'all wanna know something else? Out of them 15 times, gotten 2 tickets, bro. The rest is BS, bro. Let me pull you over for a tag cover or allegedly speeding, and then you give me nothing. Improper lane change. The list goes on, bro. All these times that I've been pulled over, except twice, no warning paper, no ticket, no nothing. I just don't understand. I say both of those things and they go hand in hand. Who wants to always drive around looking over their shoulder, worrying about somebody trying to hurt you, kill you over a vehicle, a piece of metal, or a cop that's ready to pull you over just to be nosy or just to be bold? You know, I've dealt with it for so long, like it's getting old, bro. It's one thing of something like that I enjoy creating because it means something to me, and I can't even enjoy it. For those of you that do know the meaning of my rap, if not, you can go back. I'm gonna pin a card above of all the meaning behind my car and when it was wrapped, so you can know every little detail on my car. The car is so easily profiled because of what people do in them, and I'm like the complete opposite. I don't do drugs, don't do none of those things. Content creator, just enjoying the dream of driving a Hellcat. Every day people tell me, hey bro, you're driving somebody's dream car and you're living the dream that somebody wants to do. Well, sometimes I don't even be wanting to drive it because as soon as I pull it off my garage, off my property, I'm worrying about getting pulled over. I swear, it's getting old. It's gotten old. To the point now, as you've seen from last video, the new build is in progress and we're getting that together. I'm not gonna set a date on it. I have a date in my brain, and I've told my builder, well, builders, of what date I'm aiming for, but I'm not gonna tell y'all because things can happen. Things cannot go the way I want them to go, and I don't want to give y'all a date that I feel like I can't reach, and I don't want to put that pressure on myself. I gotta stay with me, bro. I promise you, it's probably gonna be better than the Hellcat. And I know that's so hard for me to say that my next car will be better than this car, because this car is probably one of the hardest cars I've ever seen in my life. And I'm not saying that because I created it, but I'm saying that because if you knew every detail and everything that I put together for this car and how I brought it to be my own, it's hard. Now, another thing, this is probably the third thing on my list as far as everything that I had to go through a year in of owning a Hellcat, is wanting to ride in it for no reason. Like, I kid you not. And I understand it's probably one of the most powerful cars that you can get off the showroom floor, and MOPAR has everyone in a goddamn like chokehold that I can have somebody say, hey bro, let me get a ride to the mailbox, or hey bro, let me get a ride up the street. Bro, No, I'm not trying to be no asshole. You going to, like, gas money. Somebody offered me like $5 to take them somewhere. Bro, $5 is a joke. $5 is not gonna do anything for me. Or, hey, do a burnout, slide. And thing about it, I've had my whole Hellcat a whole year and I have not did one circle. I know it's hard to believe, but that's not what I'm about to condone that I'm gonna do with my Hellcat. I'm sorry. Like, people be so quick to yell, hey bro, burn out, bro. Burn out, bro. Burn out, bro. These ain't cheap, my guy. My guy, these are not cheap, bro. Check this. Alright, we still pretty good back here. We alright. Let me reach on. Oh Lord. Alright, we kinda alright, man, but tires for this car aren't cheap. And folks just be screaming out burn out, burn out, burn out, like burning out is getting a glass of water or something, bro. It ain't that simple. No, it's fun. It's cool. But if I break my car burning out, then what? Or I pop my tire burning out, then what? You know, a lot of people ask me all the time, hey, would you rather have the Hellcat or would you rather have Lightning McQueen? I'm hate to telling y'all this, and I do not regret buying a Hellcat because it did exactly what I expected it to do. The Lightning McQueen people versus the Hellcat people, more incentives come with the Lightning McQueen people, you know? Let me explain. So, babe, I'm gonna break it down to you. When I had my Lightning McQueen car, I was getting booked for parties pretty often. I could just go sit somewhere, get TikToks, get Instagram reels, and enjoy the great joy of reactions from kids seeing my car. You get paid. I can't take this Hellcat to no party and get paid. To answer that question, I would rather have my Lightning McQueen car, bro. It's just, I didn't buy it back just for the day it happened and how it happened. I let it go. Count your losses. Like I said, at the end of the day, a car is a piece of metal. Except for this car. Hold on. Because I say everything's a piece of metal. Hold on. That there will be with me forever. Whether the car stays with me or not, this has got to come down. If I sell the car tomorrow, this is coming down with me. And I think for anybody that's been on my channel, that is definitely a no-brainer. For surely a no-brainer. Y'all know that's gonna come down me every time. But other than that, bro, everything on this car is replaceable. Yes, this 700 horsepower engine is replaceable. This leg maker is replaceable. Damn, as quick as people go buy bumpers and buy strikers and do all this other stuff and have a build put together in a couple months, it's replaceable. But this here is one of one. This is one of one. There's nobody in the world. Well, actually, there's nobody in the world with my whole rap, but there's definitely nobody in the world with this. I've definitely enjoyed and loved the car and opportunities it has gave me, bro. So I take nothing from any Hellcat. Not my Hellcat. You know, it's been fun. It's been real. Damn, I'm saying that like I'm really finna get a car away tomorrow. Damn, let me chill out, bro. My plan, this Hellcat ain't going nowhere. As long as I can possibly keep it, I am gonna definitely keep it. They're gonna go up in value, you know, as soon as they go to this EV BS they're talking about. But I'm definitely planning on keeping my Hellcat for the long run, for the long haul. I have one of the most creative raps in the world. Call my bluff, comment right now. Let me know. Comment right now. Let me know. Please. Let me know. I hope y'all guys really enjoyed this video. It was something short, sweet, to the point, you know. Just had to get some stuff off my little bird chest. I'm tired of being harassed for no reason, bro. Like, it's getting to the point, like damn, I'm finna start walking. I'm finna start walking, man. But anywho, make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. I know I gotta get more active, for surely. I gotta get more active, bro. I got one of the hardest cars out here. I gotta get more active. And you know, everyone tells me this all the time, bro. You don't post as much. You got the hardest car. Post more your Hellcat. Post more your Hellcat. Post more your Hellcat. So you know what? I'm gonna post more of my Hellcat. But see this beautiful artwork.